So hello friends, I'm back again, Pooja Rodgi, and I am your trainer come coach of employability skills. And today I'm going to tell you a unique manner of presenting yourself in front of employers of Industry 4.0, which is soon going to be changed into Industry 5.0. Getting a job is not that difficult. How we are presenting ourselves in front of the employer is very important. In my previous videos, I have spoken a lot about how to create your resume, what are the things which we have to keep in mind so that our resume gets such to the interview. I have also told you about the ATS friendly resumes and how to convert our resume into an ATS friendly resume so that it may get shortlisted by a digital gateway. Today, taking your journey a little ahead and making you more employable, telling you techniques how you can better work on your profile, I am going to introduce a new topic to you, which is called e-portfolio. As the name suggests, e-portfolio is a technical or an online repository of your work, what you have done as compared to a normal or conventional resume wherein we tell the interviewer what we have done. E-portfolio is a tool wherein we can present what we have done and how we have done through adding pictures, images, and videos. We can also add in testimonials of our previous employers or the people where we have done our trainings from. We can put in a lot of project works over there. We can put in certificates over there. And that's a live way of presenting yourself and your work in front of the employer. So, yes, definitely, a conventional resume cannot be substituted by an e-portfolio, and there are various fields in professional world where e-portfolios can be used in certain fields, whereas a conventional resume is good for all fields. So I would just suggest that please understand what an e-portfolio is and try to implement it in your and make it a part of your resume and your email. While you're writing a professional email to an employer like a cover letter, you can add an e-portfolio link in your sign so that the employer can also click on it and watch and understand what your actual profile is. So ePortfolio has a lot of benefits. Now I'm going to give you a live demo of how a non-technical person or a professional who doesn't know computers that much can make an e-portfolio by few easy steps. You can be very creative and totally your e-portfolio is on your creativity. So the first thing which we have to do is let me share my screen and let you know how the process starts. So here in front of you, as you can see, this is my screen wherein I go to my inbox and I start the process. So this is my mailbox wherein you can see all the mails. So one step is I go to all these 9 dots which are given over here. I click on it. I go to the drive, and over here when I click twice, I am going to reach to my drive, and here I go to new. When I click on this new icon, I will find a lot of drop downs and a lot of buttons on it. I have to go to more and then I will click on Google Sites. So one way is this: when you go to your drive and then you click on new and you add on to Google Sites. And another way of going to this site is that I write down or I type Google Sites. And it is going to take me to this, and I can new Google Sites. If I click on this, I will be taken to a screen like this, wherein you can actually pick up portfolio. You have various templates given over here. So it is easier for me to pick up any template and start off making my portfolio. Like, as you can see, I can take a template of a club. I can take a template of class, a student portfolio, and a e-portfolio or a portfolio. So if I click on this, I will get a basic template of already designed thing wherein I can make the changes according to my requirement. Yes, so it is very easy to edit it. As you can see, there is a pencil over here and a bin over here wherein we can remove and we can add on. So straight I will click over here. So hi, I am Pooja Rohatgi. Pooja Rohatgi. And I can add in a tagline to it. Lead training and development professional. Is as easy as this. I can just put in my tagline over here, and if in case I need to change the layout, I can just select it all and change the background and do a lot of things with this. Yeah, so right now the font size is 34. I can decrease it to 24 and it will be appearing like this. And if I want to make it bold, I can make it bold. And if I want to probably, change it into align it, so I can make it center aligned like this, something like this. And I can also put in my picture over here, and I can add in my picture over here by using this link, or probably using this add alt replace the image, upload the image, so I can upload the image from my system. So before I do anything, I need to tell you that we need to be very careful as to what we need to add to our e-portfolios, and we should make all the data ready, right? So this was a quick demo of what I have done now. Selected work, I can put in over here. Again, I can upload something from here. I can align it, I can underline it, and I can change everything. And so you have to basically put a title over here, and then I can put a presentation over here. I can put a project over here. I can put a video over here. Everything is allowed. And another way of adding on things over here is, can you see this insert button over here? So if I click on it, I can insert a text box, I can insert images, I can put something from the Google, and I can also upload something from my drive. I can change the layout of the page. Everything can be done through this right hand side helping menu. And another icon which you can see over here is pages. So if in case I want multiple pages on my e-portfolio, I just have to click on this, and then there is an add button at the last. I will click on it and another page will be added to my e-portfolio. And you can also change the themes, and there are a lot of color combinations which you can use. Like I said, creating e-portfolio is totally dependent on your creativity, how creative you are, and what all do you want to present in your e-portfolio. From my side, if in case I want to tell you people, it is very easy to add in pictures, your work, and it is always good to add in your work samples. And I am going to show you what I have done. So I created a basic e-portfolio of mine, and this is in front of you. And as you can see, I have just put 3 pages on it. First one is home, where I have tried to put in my picture. I have described myself, and I have put a few things about myself. What do I do? And I have tried to explain what kind of skills I have. And then if I talk about, I have made something like work samples. So whatever work samples you have, if in case you have projects which you can put on your resume, e-portfolio, please put it. Like I have made all these videos which you can see on the screen, and these are easily accessible if you click on it. So if an employer wants to see what Pooja Rohatgi has done, it is very easy for him to click on these videos and see what kind of person or what kind of trainer I am, right? And the third part which I have done is testimonial. For as a trainer, I feel whatever my students think about me is very important. So I have put few testimonials of my past students, and they have talked about me, what kind of training do I do, and that put a stamp on my work, that what kind of person I am and what kind of work I do. So this was very easy for me to make an e-portfolio, and I believe that e-portfolio making will not be that tough for anybody who is non-technical So e-portfolio, in short, is an add-on to a conventional resume, and it is going to give you an edge over the others. So thank you for today, and all the best.